Hello all, let's dive into the video. The Mumbai Trans Harbour Link is a 21.8 km, 13.5 mi, 6-lane access-controlled expressway-grade road bridge, which will connect Mumbai with Navi Mumbai, its satellite city. When completed, it will be the longest sea bridge in India. The bridge will begin in Savri, South Mumbai, will cross Thane Creek north of Elephanta Island, and will terminate at Chile near Nhava Sheva. It is expected to be completed in December 2023. The bridge will have a toll plaza, and the estimated toll for a car is 150 rupees. It is expected to reduce the travel time between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai by about 20 minutes. The project cost is estimated to be 18,000 crore rupees, $2.4 billion. The bridge will have a main carriageway of 6 lanes, with 2 additional service lanes on either side. Bridge will have a height of 55 meters, 180 feet, above mean sea level. The bridge will be able to withstand winds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. Thank you.